Good morning everyone. Today I'll show you how to make a T568B Straight Through Ethernet cable commonly used for connecting computers to switches or routers. First, gather all necessary materials, a length of Cat5e or Cat6 cable, 2 RJ45 connectors, a crimping tool, and a wire stripper. Step 2. Strip the cable. Using a wire stripper, carefully remove about an inch of an outer insulation from both ends of the cable, exposing the 4 twisted pairs of wires. Step 3. Arrange the wires. Untwist the pairs and arrange the wires in the T568B standard order from left to right. Here are the orders of the colors in the wires: white with orange stripe, orange, white with green stripe, blue, white with blue stripe, green, white with brown stripe, and brown. Step 4. Trim the wires. Once aligned, trim the wires so they are even and straight, about half an inch in length from the jacket. Step 5. Insert wires into the RJ45 connector. Carefully insert the wires into the RJ45 connector, making sure each wire goes fully into its slot and stays in the correct order. Step 6. Crimp the connector. Use the crimping tool to press down the connector pins, securing the wires. Repeat the process for the other end. Repeat the process for the other end. Step 7. Test the cable. Finally, test the cable using a network cable tester to ensure all connections are correct and the cable works properly. And that's it! You've successfully made a T568B Straight Through Ethernet patch cable. That's all. Thank you.